Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Image Power C peel. So I love this peel. It really just brightens your skin up, and it is going to exfoliate, add that stabilized vitamin C into your skin. You're just going to leave nice and glowing. So let's get started. I just used this on my eyes. This is the Ormetic Balancing Facial Cleanser. I'm going to do my first cleanse. For my second cleanse, I am going to go in with this. This is the Image MD Restoring Facial Cleanser. So I love this one. It's very cooling. It's a great exfoliating cleanser. Now it's time to prep the skin for our peel. So we are going to use the degreasing prep solution. And what I am going to do is just apply this on 2x2 gauze. Alright, wring out the excess. And then I am going to go over my face and neck in a cross-hatching motion. Next, I am going in with the Signature Facelift, and I'm going to apply it with a cotton swab. Okay. And then we are going to massage it in for about 3 minutes. I really love Image's peels because they are also great for more sensitive skin. I mean, all of their products are good for people who are more sensitive. So I really enjoy this lift. It's gentle enough where I can actually rub it into my skin. Most peels you are not really supposed to do that with. Alright, it's 6:54 now, so let's go ahead and rub. And if you're wondering, my skin does feel a bit of a tingle. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's say like 3. So that is totally normal. Next, I am going in with the hydrating enzyme mask. So I do still have this first layer of the peel on. I am just going to add this on top of it and then rub it in for another 3 minutes. The last step of the peel part of this facial is we are gonna go back in with these 2 layers still on with the signature facelift. So you might need to add a little bit more in this little jar here. Let's see. And my skin may look a bit red. It feels a little warm. It's still about a 3. But this last layer is actually cooling everything down. So this feels really, really nice. And we are going to rub this in for 3 minutes and then remove everything. Alright, now I'm going to remove everything with a cool towel, not a hot towel, because you or your client's skin is going to be a bit reactive. As you can see, I'm a little red. So if you want something nice and soothing, you could even use aesthetic wipes that are cold. But I just wanted to use a towel. You want to make sure your client does not feel any product still on the skin, any sensation. But I really do not feel anything. Okay. And pro tip, make sure you do a little extra around the corners of the nose. Make sure it's all out of there. And any other sensitive spots. Make sure everything is off. Alright. Now we are going to go ahead and just cool everything down with a nice hydrating mask. So I am going to be using the Balancing Gel Mask. And I'm just going to apply this with my hands. By the way, I have been changing my gloves in between each portion of this. Oh, maybe with this. I usually do my facials bare hands, but I need my nails done. So I'm wearing gloves now. You do always want to wear gloves with any heels that you do. And I would usually use a brush, but it's my own face, so this is good. And during this part, your client or yourself, you will be getting a neck and shoulder massage while this sits on for about 10 to 12 minutes. So I am going to actually tidy up my room while I let this sit. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm finally finished, and you're just gonna see my messed up nails because I can't put gloves on because my hands are wet. You guys know that feeling when you're just struggling to put on your gloves because you didn't wipe all the product off? Yeah. So I am using Cool Aesthetic wipes to wipe the mask off. Next, I am going to use the Balancing Antioxidant Serum. And I am going to go in with a little hyaluronic acid. That might be a lot. That's more than enough, to be honest. I don't think you guys will be able to see that. Okay, well, and I'm going to mix this with a kojic acid serum. So just 2 drops of that. And do the same thing. My skin feels amazing. I'll have to show you guys before and after pictures. Well, let me know if you can see a difference just by watching this video. Next, I'm going to go in with the Balancing Eye Lift Gel. Now, this is great for someone like me who has a little bit of darkness, but it can just use a bit more volume underneath the eyes. And I want to make sure we're applying with our middle fingers, or sorry, our ring fingers, very gently. And you can do the top, the brow bone. Okay. Feel like that's good. Next, I'm going in with this Ultra Defense Moisturizing Sunscreen. This is 50 SPF. And this one is cool. It's water resistant for up to 80 minutes. This is such a great one. Now, I would only use this for people with skin that is on the Fitzpatrick scale from 1 to maybe 4. And you will just want to kind of pat it in for people that are more melanated, have a little more color in the skin. And last but not least, we are gonna go in with this Balancing Lip Complex. Is that what it's called? Lip Enhancement Complex. I genuinely love this stuff. I love it. It has SPF in it. It's super hydrating. It lasts forever. Amazing. Let's focus. Okay, there we go. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching me do the Power C Heal. Look at the results. I'll see you later.